All right, everybody, here you go. You have your sweet CO2 car design. You are ready to make your blueprint. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to File, New, and then we're going to come down here. Remember, to our drawing, we want ANSI-IN.IDW. Right here, make sure it's English, ANSI-IN.IDW. Then, when we're here, we are going to need to start editing our sheet. So we're going to right click on this and we'll go edit sheet. We'll go size A, click OK. Then we're going to delete our title block here. So now we have our blank paper here. So I'm going to click on base. I should look and see I have my car. If not, I might have to search for it in an open existing file, which I'd have to go to my documents and look for my CO2 car. But I already have it right here. Now, you might need to play with the scale depending on how big your car is. But a good size would be scale 1/2. Then I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit save. We're going to call it CO2 Car Blueprint. Save. Okay, so I'm going to grab this and move it here. Then I'm going to click on Projected. Click here. Get my top view, my right side view, and my 3D view. Right click, Create. So this is what I need to have. I'm going to go to Annotate. Now the other thing is I need to know the sizes of everything. So I'm going to click here and here. Get that at 6 inches. I need to know from here to here. What is that? What's this to here? What are some other things? What's the width of this? What's the width between here and here? And notice I might need to move some of these so that you can see what's going on here. I want to know what the size of the hole is here. Oh, it might not work there. Might need to come to here. Dimension. There we go. We've got that. So I need all the dimensions that I need to make sure I can cut all this out. Okay? And I'll do this to this. So once I have that, then I'm going to put text in. Put a text right there, and I'm going to call it Mr. G's CO2 Car. I'm going to hit OK. And you'll see now I'll have a title on it with your name. Okay? Once I've done that, I'm going to go File, Save. Save.
I'm ready too.
We'll go into my documents. Then I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to Print. It should be the JGM M5065, and I'll hit OK. We should have 1:1. And that will print. And then I also need to go in and export as an image. I'm going to export the CO2 car blueprint, save. Then you're going to go to your Google Classroom. And you will, in your CO2 car challenge, you're going to submit the picture of that blueprint. And if I look here, I can see that the picture will look you can see my picture, and that's what I'll be able to see on Google Classroom. Okay, so that's what you got to do to turn that in. Good luck, guys, and this is what we'll need to take into the wood shop so you can make your design. Okay.